Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay September 22, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong September 22, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, September 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 22, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, September 22, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 22, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.